If you are wondering if we have reverse charging available on Xiaomi 17, then the answer is yes. In the case of a wireless power sharing option, we can find it pretty easily just by going to settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and go to battery. And then in here we should be able to go to charging options. And in here we have reverse wireless charging, which we can easily enable or disable. Of course, once it is enabled, you want to place your phone face down and place another device on the back of the phone in order to start charging that other device. Of course, that other device that we want to charge with our Xiaomi 17 must support wireless charging. And of course, besides that, we can use the wired method as well. In this case, you will need to use a USB cable that fits both devices. Of course, it doesn't have to be another smartphone. This can be a Bluetooth device that can be charged with USB cable. We connect our Xiaomi 17 with that other device that we want to charge. There we go. And we should be able to charge pretty easily. Let's see if it works. Actually, in this case, this phone just turned on, it was off. But there we go, you can see that it is indeed charging. Now, in some cases, if you connect both devices together, especially of course in the case of smartphones, if you connect your Xiaomi 17 with another smartphone via USB cable in order to charge it, there is a chance that your Xiaomi 17 is going to be charged instead. And what you might need to do is you might need to check notifications and search for USB setting, where you can decide if you want to reverse charge that other device. So this is the notification that I'm talking about, charging connected device via USB. It can be named slightly different, but is going to be sent by Android system. And once you open these settings, you want to make sure that reverse charging is selected. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.